please open your workbook to handout 17A. Handout 17A says escape structure for narrative stories. And just like we use the to seek model to write explanatory paragraphs, we're going to use this escape model to write our own narrative this year. And you have already completed, I believe, 3 parts of the escape model. And so that means you are halfway done with your narrative. Did you know that? Maybe I tricked you again. So the directions say, use the escape structure for narrative stories to help you think about individual episodes in the Phantom Tollbooth and to help you think about how you might use the structure in your own narrative episode. So, establish a situation to orient your reader and provide context. We established a situation where Milo drove up and found abandoned elementary. That's our situation. The setting. Establish a setting. Where and when does the story take place? And so we created a setting. We described abandoned elementary school. Characters. Establish characters. Who is the story about and what are they like? You established a character, correct? And you described your character and the wordplay on their name. It was connected to their name. What we have left is action. What events happen and how did the characters respond? A problem. What conflict does the main character face? So what problem is Milo going to face? And then ending. How does the story end? How is the conflict resolved? So we should be able to fill out a few parts of this escape structure for our narrative story. So the first thing I would like you to do is to draw lines straight across from the ESCAPE. So I'm going to do that and I'm going to show you what I mean. Let's see here. Just take those lines and draw them straight across so that you now have columns and you have rows to fill in your escape plan. So mine looks like this. Now, the first part, establish a situation to orient your reader and provide context. So Milo enters the town of Abandon and drives up to the school. The setting, Abandon Elementary. And then I want you to give a little description based on your character snapshot that you wrote, focusing question task 2. How did you describe Abandon Elementary? And then my character is Teresa Forsakerson. And I'm going to do a little bit of description for her. So take a few minutes and complete the ESC based on your focusing question task 2.